So I do have some reservations that the cab is going to separate at that seam just above the windshield. There's a ton of rust in there, but okay, we're doing it live. Let's see what happens. Okay, time to take the cab off. Top of the bolt. They capture that so it doesn't spin while I'm down under. Let's get the, I'm gonna get the mounting bolt. That's probably good. The bolt said no way, so time to become liquid. Yeah, that one took almost no effort at all. Oh, Mike. Corona. She's going up. Yes. Slight issue. Gotta get the steering column out of the way, because I can't really get a whole lot higher unless I set it back down and readjust. So it was calculated, it worked. I didn't have to do anything. Or I should say I was right all along. Back you go. Good. There you have it, up in the air. Take a little tour. I had to get all these hoses and cables disconnected. I got all of my electrical marked. The other side of those cuts are all marked as well. Not that I intend on reusing those, just for potentially an aid later on. Let's take a look at the bottom. First view. Looks a little crusty. I did notice there's a nice, cute little mousy house down here. Somebody was living pretty well. Poor little guy. He's gone now. What else? Guess this is some kind of a, let's see. Oh yeah, looks cozy. Anyhow, she's off. Let's take a look at our rolling chassis. Kind of just want to weld a steel plate on there and just ride it like that. What do you say? But yeah, this is nice. Now that this is done, I can actually kind of start the work, getting the mechanicals done and safe. And when that's all done, I can start thinking about this cab. So I'm gonna tear into the engine, tear into the trans, get everything rebuilt, and yeah, hopefully we'll have this thing running soon.